17 points, 5 rebounds, 8 big assists para kay Paul Lee sa kanyang PBA debut dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. And we see Rain or Shine lamang ng 15 puntos dito, Dadin. What a debut para sa kanya, pero hindi lang siya nag-iisa na bumubuhos dito.
Exactly. Hindi lang si Paul Lee ang gumagawa rito, but Paul Lee already had 8 assists. Partner si Jeff Chan, nakaka-17 points din. And he already has 3 3-point conversions sa third quarter. And I think this is a major reason kung bakit nakabalik dito ang Rain or Shine. They had fallen behind to Barangay Ginebra, but they held sway.
Pero para sa Barangay Ginebra, as we open this fourth and final quarter, down by 15 sila. Panaka-naka in 3-point shooting nila. Napakasama ng kanilang porsyento. Bukod doon sa shooting, ano pa ang kailangan gawin ng Kings?
Well, yung rebounding kanina, no? They were able to get control of the rebounds. Now they're not able to do that as much, but I think it's really their defense. How they're able to address kung yung offensive flow ng Rain or Shine is going to determine kung makakapalik sila dito o hindi. It's the defense. And of course, yung kanilang outside shooting, or maybe the inside point, yun, niluluwa pa.
Pero itong as we see Mark the Spark Kagiwa, siya yung bumobomba noong third quarter. Nung naupo si Kagiwa, tsaka na lang biglang lumobo o namaga ang lamang ng Rain or Shine. Itong Barangay Ginebra, yun nga nagiging problema. In that third quarter, more than 30 points pinamigay nila. Ang basehan mo kanina, Dadin, 87 points lang pinamigay ng Ginebra nung nakaraang taon in the Philippine Cup. Ngayon, 77 na pinamigay nila.
Exactly. They were number 1 in defense that time. They were naman nakascore from 3-point distance.
Kaya na nga, si Mark the Spark looking to wake up itong Barangay Ginebra. At yung mga Twitter message nyo, ayan o, nakikita nyo, nasa ilalim ng inyong mga screen. Ano, PBA natin, Paul Lee is killing Ginebra right now. Yan po, yung mga puro-puro mensahe, nandiyan po yan, ipa-flash natin at pagka may oras, babasahin natin pati ng ating studio panel. Lalo na yung botohan natin, yung poll question natin. Kaya bang abutin ni Paul Lee? Yung naabot ni Mark Kagiwa sa kanyang karir. Si Mark Kagiwa, 2001 pa po pumasok yan. Ito, first game ni Paul Lee, very impressive. Now he's gonna have to follow it up.
That's right, but of course they still have to win this game. Yes, Junior Canaleta scoring and he's going to go to the line. Could be like starting a rally galing sa Barangay Ginebra.
5-0 run na yan para dito sa Gin Kings. Pwede pa maging 6-0. Kung makukumpleto si Canaleta, itong kanyang free throw.
Ako, feeling ko dito, no, nagkulang sa aggressiveness sa Barangay Ginebra. They're just not attacking the basket as courageously as they've been known to do. But now they're going with a little bit of a full court pressure, and then they go to a 2-3 zone defense. Alam natin si Jeff Chan, they'll be from the outside, but Jeff Chan is down on the floor at this time.
Aranya umatake, sidestep move! Semi-elegant shot, yung kanyang inattempt doon. Tutungo siya sa ating free throw line for 2 shots.
Again, makita natin yung kombinasyon na ginagamit ni Coach Yang Yang. Jalo Ibanez, you know he's there for defensive purposes against Mark Kagiwa. Si Matias, si Ryan Aranya, Norwood, si Belga. So you don't see Jeff Chan, who has 17 points. You don't see Paul Lee, who also has 17 points. And yet, Rain or Shine still ahead here by 9.
Aranya finally naka-score ng Rain or Shine here in the fourth as we send it downstairs sa ating kakampi na si Chiki.
Alam mo magulong handle ng Ginebra, nagsalita na si Mark Kagiwang. Sabi niya, guys, tayo ang tumatalo sa sarili natin. At sinakyan naman siya ni Coach Shot and told his players na kailangan nilang papagtibayin ang kanilang individual defensive assignment at huwag isipin ang score.
Maraming salamat, Chiki. Minsan, ibang perspective din pa. Dala-dalawa na coach mo sa Barangay Ginebra. Pero pag minsan, pagka yung spiritual leader mo sa team ang nagsalita, iba rin yung tama nun.
Iba rin din kasi Mark Kagiwa magsasalita. And look at this. Turnover against Barangay Ginebra.
Matias on the run. Look at that sidestep. Belga rebound. Put back. It's good.
Right now, Rain or Shine is playing with a lot more intensity than Barangay Ginebra.
At napuwersa na naman ang Ginebra into a timeout. Down by 12 sila. 80-68. Jeswin, akalain natin na ito na yung comeback ng Barangay Ginebra. Ang Rain or Shine, nagising na naman, nakahanap ng paraan na maibalik sa 12 ang abante nila. 80-68 ang nasa ating talaan as you join us back dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Ito po siya na hinahanap ni Coach Yang Yao. While Paul Lee and Jeff Chan are resting, he's got his shot troopers getting the job done for rain or shine. And for Ginebra, ang pressure sa kanila ay maglaro ng napakagandang depensa. And it's not just the individual defense na kanina nabanggit ni Chiqui Reyes. It's that team defense na kailangan nila to force rain or shine to take the shot that's out of their usual zone.
Barangay Ginebra nanggaling sa sarili nilang timeout. 80-68 ang nasa ating talaan. O nga, ang cute nga ng pink shoes ni Papa JJ. Nasa kayo nasa baba. Facebook message yun. Pwede nga kayo nagpadala. Twitter, Facebook. Helterbrand and his pink shoes for a 3. Bang!
After 8 points now for JJ Helterbrand, Ginebra with 2 3-point conversions sa quarter na to. They're living or dying with that 3-point shot.
Dapat 3 minuto lumilipas sa ating final quarter. Aranya, naka-pink shoes din ha. Pinukul kay Norwood sa kanan. Pinawi naman agad.
And they can get their shots on the other end. But for so long as they're not playing good defense on the other end, rain or shine will continue to hold sway.
Pasa, natapik si Jervy Cruz. Belga over to Norwood on the run. Gabe, no-look pass niya. Pati si Jervy, nalinlang. Pupunta sa Barangay Ginebra ang bola. Helterbrand didiskarte. Cervantes, he's got range. Real. Wide right lang ang kanyang tira.
Right now, no inside threat here for Barangay Ginebra.
Kaya si Billy Mams, pinasok na.
That's the reason kung bakit si Mamaril is coming in. Cervantes just didn't make good decisions on the floor.
83-71. Rain or shine in control. Aranya over to Belga. Steps beyond that free throw line. Bang! Follow-up jam from Norwood.
Offensive rebound and a putback galing kay Gabe. Mr. President presiding.
And yung rebounding na naman, Dadin. Yun yung binabanggit mo kanina pa. Bigla ka na lang matataktakan ng ganun-ganun.
Here's an offensive foul against Barangay Ginebra. Sa partner, kung hindi po mapasok ng outside shot ng Barangay Ginebra, they've got to be able to do it on defense, create turnovers, and score in transition. But they're not. Paski na yung transition nila, hindi gumagana. And you take a look at this. Yeah. That miss galing kay Belga and offensive rebound and a slam coming from Mr. President.
Ito na. Matamis na 16 na ang abante ng Rain or Shine. 87-71. Pinakamalaki para sa ballgame na ito. 30-second timeout na puwersang itawag ng Barangay Ginebra as they continue to look for solutions, the proper combinations. Sunod-sunod na timeout na ito, Dadin.
Well, the bench scoring has been critical here for Rain or Shine. Pati si Jervy Cruz na nakakapukol na ng 6 points. Paul Lee actually is a bench player for this team. He came off the bench. He's got 17.
Maliwanag na maliwanag ang view ng Rain or Shine dito sa Araneta. Si Meralco, ang liwanag ng bukas. At kanina napansin natin na itong si Ronald Tubid nagpalit mula number 71 over to number 15. Yung kwento niyan, alam ni Jessica.
Ganito nangyari, nakausap ko si Ronald Tubid kanina at sabi niya, nakakagulat nga dahil may konting shy effect pa ang pagkakwento niya sa akin ito. Ang dahilan daw ng pagpalit ng kanyang number ay dahil sa mga birthday ng kanyang pamilya at dahil nagamit na raw niya ang birthday ng asawa at ng anak niya. Nako, tinanong ko, kanina namang birthday yung ginamit mo ngayon? Sabi niya, di akin.
Bakit nga naman hindi?
Oo.
Sa'yo na lang. Thank you, Jessica. Helterbrand! Lighting it up para dito sa Gin Kings. And with more than 7 minutes remaining, napakahabang panahon pa to para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Well, pwede pa to for Ginebra, but they've got to play that tough defense. They've got to make stops.
Eto na yung hinahanap ng stops. JJ Helterbrand is fouled by Norwood.
And look at the change momentum. Gabe Norwood giving up the preemptive foul. Si Paul Lee naman ang papasok for Coach Yang Giao.
Oo nga, na-dispatch na ulit. The former commander sa amateur ranks. Definitely nagpapakilala sa buong bayan, sa buong sambayan ng PBA Kahit anong team ka, ma-appreciate yung ginagawa ng rookie natin na yan, eh, no?
Well, si Paul Lee is not a tall player. I think he's, 6 feet,
flat.
maybe less than 6 feet even. It's an offensive rebound galing kay Billy Bam.
Elterbrand na naman! Hindi kumama this time around.
There's just too many shots being taken from the outside.
Pero that would have brought the house
Oh,
down,
yes.
no?
That's a big gamble on the part of Barangay Ginebra, taking low percentage shots.
Delga. Nahanap si Lee. 10 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa Rain or Shine. The lethal weapon looks up at the clock. Nakita sa kanto, sa kaliwa si Norwood. Over to Jervy. Naku, bitin. So with 6:25 remaining in this game, itong Barangay Ginebra down by 13 points. Intal. Lee ang bantay niya. He can shoot over. Pero pinamigay muna yung pasa. Kagiwa with 16 points so far in this game. Atakin yung depensa ni Aranya. Mamaril wanting a clear out sa poste. 7 to shoot. Billy Mams, turnaround jumper. Mintis. Rebound Aranya. Naku, natapak doon sa baseline. Kitang-kita no rep eh. Pink kasi yung shoes mo eh. Kung kakulay ng linya, baka na-miss pa eh.
Okay. Yan po yung pink shoes ni Ryan Aranya. Pink shoes din yung ano eh. Kay JJ Eltebrand, pareho sila.
Canaleta. Step to the left, three-pointer. On in. Mintis at si Aranya this time around. Pababayaan na lang yung rebound na yan.
It's really too early to take all those three-point shots to try to stem the tide. Yung sinasabi natin kanina, no, parang nagkukulan ng aggressiveness. First of all, we question the quickness of the guards and nung pinakita sa atin ng third quarter, may quickness pa naman ang mga gwardya ng Barangay Ginebra.
Lee mula sa kanto. Yun na lang hindi pa niya pinapakita, 3-point shooting. Ano? Almost everything else na ipakita na sa atin. Lee, JJ and Mark Kagiwa hindi nagkaintindihan sa opensibang yun. ...87-74, medyo matagal na napako dyan ang ating talaan. At hiyawan dito dahil yung fan favorite ng Barangay Ginebra, si Rob Labagala is making his way to the scorer's table. Kung buhay ba ang kailangan, Rob Labagala, malamang pwedeng maging sagot dyan. Lee misses. JJ ngayon. Lee diskarte over to Intal at the post. Nakita si Mamaril, umatake. Billy Mams, sobra. Intal! Naku, kinulapan ang ring yung dakdak niya. That might summarize the game so far para sa Barangay Ginebra.
You know, I'm surprised that Enrico Villanueva is not sent back in by Barangay Ginebra. He was doing very well earlier on in the game.
Lee inabot on that drive to the hole. JC Intal picks up foul number 4. Timeout muna para sa Rain or Shine. 4:42 remaining sa ating opening night game. 87-74, Rain or Shine by 13 points. Panalo ng 2 tickets sa Black Eyed Peas live in Manila sa October 25 po yan sa SM Mall of Asia Grounds. Para makasali sa promo, sagutin lang ang katanungan na ito. Anong team ang nag-champion sa 2011 PBA Governor's Cup? A. Petron Blaze Boosters. B. Toyota. To join, text PBA your answer and send to 23346. Winners will be determined via electronic raffle of tickets for the Black Eyed Peas concert on October 25. This promo is from October 2 to 19 with DTI NCR permit number 7241 series of 2011. Kaya Dadin, sali na!
Ako sasali. Pwede ba tayo dyan?
Iswali mo, gusto ko pa naman marinig yung I Got a Feeling. Feeling yan ng ating VIP row in our nice opening day celebrations.
Okay. We saw Willie Marshall. We saw Bobby Barrero. Vito Lasatin.
Letos Ricados, Barangay Ginebra turns it over. Palitan ng turnover dito, magkabilang kabunan. And Paulie now wisely gets it over to Norwood. Dadahan-dahanin ng Rain or Shine ang kanilang atake with only 4:20 remaining in this game.
But I don't know if it's a signal of the white flag coming from Barangay Ginebra. But ang backcourt combination na ginagamit nyo ni Coach Shot Tangkinsen, si John Wilson at saka si Rob Lapagala, that's not the usual combination you will want on the floor if you're fighting to win. Wala si Mark Kagiwa, wala na si JJ Elterbrand. wala si Ronald Tubid.
Jervy Cruz. Nakita si Buenafe. Hindi pa rin gumagalaw yung ating score. 87-74. Matagal-tagal na napako dyan. Magkabilang pabunan. Buenafe. Desperation pass against the shot clock is taken away by Wilson. Labagala. Ito natin. Kung mabigyan niya ng buhay ang Barangay Ginebra. Labagala in the lane. Flips it up. Is fouled. 2 free throws parating para kay Rob. Tukto ng talisay si Rob Labagala. At pagpasok niya sa Barangay Ginebra, midway through the season na itong nakaraan ng 36 season, naging instant fan favorite. Ang sa pinaggagawa niya sa sahig, binubuhay niya talaga ang Barangay.
Plays with a lot of energy. Might be undersized as a guard, but certainly has a big heart. At ang ating magiting na commissioner, Chito Salud.
Yun, with a big heart din.
Oh, watching very intently.
Polly sa kabilang dulo, knockout play sa free line. Wala na magawa, naiiwang defender dun yung nag-free throw na si Rob Labagala. 89-76, 19 points in the game na para dito kay Lee. Labagala napitawan. Over na Intala. 10 segundo sa shot clock ng Barangay Ginebra. Norwood all over Intala. Intala extricates himself. Beautiful move. Hits the basket na kasama pang foul.
A one-on-one move here by JC Intala. But if you're looking for team development partner, good passing ability, just getting everybody involved in the offense. Right now, it's just individual effort on the part of Barangay Ginebra. Down by 11, 3:26 to go. Still conceivably possible to get back into this game, except that Intal missed his free throw.
Kaya lang, ang masakit doon. Mahigit 3 minuto na lang natitira dito. Barangay Ginebra looking for a stop. Belga. Nakaraan taon, under Coach Yeng Giao, alam natin, may tres na yan. Pero this time, he takes it on the dribble. Tapos nabigay pa ng napakagandang pasa. So, rain or shine, clicking on all cylinders here. 30-second timeout na naman, request ng Barangay Ginebra with 3:07 remaining here. Hindi ganun kalayo yan, the deal. 13 puntos lamang, pero Barangay Ginebra, yung body language kailangan niya mag-iba.
Well, definitely not, because if you take a look at the combinations on the floor, napakit nga natin kanina, no? Si John Wilson at si Labagala now manning the court in the backcourt ng Barangay Ginebra. That's not the combination that you will want if you're trying to come back in this game. Kailangan mo, the spark. Kailangan mo, si JJ Helterbrand, Tubid. Those are the high-energy players ng Barangay Ginebra, but they didn't get the job done tonight.
Mark Caguioa nagparamdam ng third quarter at panandalian ng fourth quarter. JJ had his time in the sun then with some 3-point shots. Pero yun hindi nila masustain ng tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang laro dito.
Well, Mago, kanina nabanggit natin yung ating Dean's List. Full steam ahead. Yun ang isang point for rain or shine. And talk about that particular department. Ang fast break points, 17-4. 17 points scored on fast break by rain or shine. At 4 lamang for Barangay Ginebra. You know, another factor also is the bench scoring. 52 points coming from rain or shine.
Bigat, ano? 22 galing sa bench. So yung balance na itong rain or shine sa kanilang lineup definitely coming into play dito.
We're looking at depth. And Paul Lee has certainly given Coach Yeng Giao a lot of depth in that position. At kanina, nakita nga natin, no, si Norwood at saka si Paul Lee playing together. Oh, that's a hard foul.
Bo Belga clipping itong hairdo ni John Wilson for that rebound play. Pwedeng 4 na puntos makakuha ng Ginebra sa opensibang ito. Might be a blessing in disguise yung namintis na bonus free throw. John Wilson makes sure of the first. Kinyahan na pinalik Coach Yeng.
By the way, baka hindi natin napansin yung mga referee natin, bagong uniform.
Oo, go ba rin, ano? New season.
Oo, parang uniform ng Rain or Shine.
Color scheming, ano? Full guard pressure. Galing dito sa Jin Kings, broken by Paul Lee. Pero napuwersa rin siya kapag dating niya sa front court na call a timeout. 2:37 remaining in this game. It is rain or shine by 9 points. Timeout muna tayo. At nagbabalik ang PBA sa Active. Taking a look at yung magiging schedule natin. Pagdating naman ng Miyerkules, dyan po tayo sa Cuneta Astrodome maglalaro. Alas 5:30 ng hapon. Ang debut ng Shopee.com Clickers makakalaban ang Power 8 Tigers. Susundan ng Salpukang Petron at Bimeg. Baka Coach Team ko magde-debut na si Bimeg.
At hindi lang yun, yung Power 8. 8 new players for Coach Bob Parasol. Yung nga lang si JD Castro will not be able to play that particular contest, but si
Right.
Marshall
Marshall
Lassiter
Lassiter.
is going to be suited up for sure. Tsaka si Alex Pisano making a comeback.
Alex Crisano and Romel Adupol manning the front court para sa Power 8. Should be an interesting game. Tapos Ritualo at Coach Franz Kumaren together again para nandun sa Shapinas. 91-82, pagkakataon ng Barangay Nebra as they got a stop on one end. Labagala for three. Bang!
All of a sudden, it's a 6-point lead.
Rob
Pwede
Labagala
pa to.
doing what he does best, infusing life into Barangay Nebra. Liba Bawe!
And he'll go to the line.
Bigla na lang nabuhayan ang loob ang mga fans ng Barangay Nebra dito sa loob ng Big Dome. At sa lahat ng fans, usually pag nalalamangan ng team mo, umuwi ka. Pero ang Barangay Nebra, never umuwi ang fans.
Never say die yun.
Alam nila, hindi naman susuko yun eh. Meron pa magkakataon sa
Oo.
buhay.
Here's Paul Lee, 20 points now in this game, his rookie debut. At pardon mo kaya ang statement dito ni Coach Shot Atkinson that he's going to go with his young lineup in the backcourt.
Ito na nga ang nagbibigay buhay sa kanila. Paul Lee looking to quell this uprising. 8 ang abante ng Raider Shine as we have the 2-minute warning.
Right now, they're looking for 3-point gunners. Here's John Wilson.
Intis sa kanyang attempt, but Kinyan with that rebound. John Wilson has not found his range all game long. Buena pa sa kabilang dulo. Huli ka ni John Wilson. All defensive team player kaya yan. Labagala over to Wilson. Back to Labagala. No daylight. Inilapit. Rob Mamaril touches it over to Intal. Barangay Nebra looking for that big basket. 93-87. Down to a 2-possession lead para sa Raiders Shine. Ginebra needs a stop. Buenafe, over to Lee. Look at the rookie. Siya magmamando rito. Lee, bitin. Rebound na kanino. Re-review ng ating referees. Pagka po wala ng 2 minuto natitira sa ating orasan, pagka may questionable possessions, nasa rulebook po yan noong nakaraang taon pa, pwede i-review na referee yan.
Tama yung ginagawa ng referee ngayon because crucial point of the game ito. Ito nangyari. Kanina, sino yung nakatapik?
Kanino ba may
O
ball?
kaya kay Willie Wilson. Willie Wilson ba?
Kinyahan ba? Na-traffic sila dun eh. Ang aming pagpipilian din ang ating refs. Napunta
Oo,
na
yes.
sa Barangay Nebra.
Si Kinyahan. Kinyahan nga yun.
Mas mahaba daw ang kalamay ni Kinyahan. Siya na last touch doon. 93-87, Barangay Ginebra. Make or break on this possession with only 1 minute and 13 remaining.
And that's why tatawag sila ng timeout. They want to talk things over.
Gusto nga diskartehan ng coaching staff. Down by 6, 1 minute and 30 remaining. Tutok lang kayo dito sa Active.
Dito, stop! Baka meron! Scan! Pag wala nangyari, downscreen open, labas! So, nakaspread na kayo. Wilson! Wala na high ball screen, KG, nandito ka sa kabila. Nandito ka, KG. So, flat, high ball screen. Atakin mo, roll, you got 4 shooters outside. Okay, tuloy. Okay, tuloy.
So it's 93-87. Just when we thought Rainer Shine was gonna put this game to bed, Rob Labagala ang nagbigay buhay dito sa Gin Kings. Pati na rin itong si JC Intal. Crucial hits pero dito, the Dean, 2-possession deficit ang inaharap ng Barangay Nebra. Sounded like they wanted to go for the 3.
Well, time running out. They want 4 shooters spread out and they need a penetration inside to be able to kick out.
Labagala, umatake, kicks it over. Wilson, ayaw kunin yung press, inilapit, nilabas ulit. Left corner pocket 3, no good na dahil meron ng foul.
Only foul number 3, Paul Lee.
Paul Lee ang pinigil ng foul sa pagkakataong yun.
And it's going to be free throws. And that's what Barangay Nebra needs. They need to stop the clock and score points from the free throw line. So advantage yun para sa Barangay Ginebra.
John Wilson, 4 for 4 so far sa larong ito from that free throw line. That 5 for 5. 93, 88, 68 seconds na ditira. Wilson remains perfect. 4 lang ang lamang na Rainer Shine. Full court pressure defense. Nahihirapan si Kinyahan. And he's forced into a timeout. So Barangay Ginebra stepping it up late in this game. Yung mga key baskets na kukuha nila. At ito, sunod-sunod na stops nila.
Jason, saan natin yung X? Okay. Eto si Ronjay. Okay, pop out. Eto si Paul, ha? Eto si Paul, ha? Backpick tayo. Okay. Okay, si Paul na ngayon tatanggap. Yes, ka mag-inbound, ha? Lalang tayo.
Ang mabigat dito, El Decano, ayun, narinig mo. Pinapaalala ng mga assistant coaches, wala na silang timeout. Rainer Shine will look to hang on sa kanilang 4 na puntos na kalamangan nang wala na silang timeout. 93-89, abante sila ng hapat. And they're gonna have to do this bootleg na, no? Talagang sila na lang na 5 sa court na magkikutuan.
Exactly. At nakita naman natin yung composure ni Coach Yengia, no? Simple instruction niya. Mag-backpick tayo. Walang mga complicated, mga complex situations na kung minsan naguguluhan ng mga player. So, you see a very fundamentally sound coach giving instructions to his players. They need to be able to preserve this lead. 4 points sa kanilang pinoprotektahan. They want to be able to get an insurance basket right here.
Here we go, sideline in na. Jeff Chan na maglalabas. Wala nang timeout ang Rainer Shine. Naghanap ng babasahan. Gets it over to Paul Lee. And Rob Labagala is whistled for a foul. Ipan-limang team foul na rin yan para dito si Jin King. So no more fouls to give para sa Ginebra. Sila may isa pang timeout. Rainer Shine wala na. They need to get this ball inbounds.
Labagala sticking to Paul Lee.
Saan
Light
sila
blue.
pupunta? Jeff Chan naguguluhan. Lee ngayon. Over. Kicks it over to Kinyahan. Kasama nila si Buenafe, Chan, and Rodriguez.
They're looking to kill the clock.
Buenafe. Nabitawan! John Wilson forcing that turnover. Pero i-review pa rin ang ating referees to. Pero the way John Wilson was celebrating, mukha namang nakuha niya talaga yung stop.
Mukha naman, that ball off the foot of Ronjay Buenafe. Ito, tignan ulit natin. He tried a crossover, tumama sa kanyang tuhod, and that's off, very clearly off Buenafe.
So John Wilson pinatutunayan na hindi nagkamali sa pagpili sa kanya sa all-defensive team. Locking down Buenafe sa pagkakataong yon. And si Coach Shot Duncanson gathering up his boys. Ayaw niya sunugin yung kanyang huling timeout. As possession goes to Barangay Ginebra now officially.
Okay, the big question is, with 56.3 seconds to go, so take a look at that replay once more. That ball off Ronjay Buenafe. Barangay Ginebra, will they go for a 3-point, try to cut this down to a 1-point lead, or will they go for an easy, quick 2? My thinking is, go for a 2.
Nabagala to Intal. Aatake. The Rocket spins. Puts it off the glass for 2.
That's the 2 points that they wanted.
Wala nang timeout to Rainer Shine. It's a 2-point ball game. 40 seconds remaining. Rainer Shine turning it over. The pressure coming from Barangay Ginebra gives them another chance.
And that defense of Barangay Ginebra forcing a turnover. Partner, this last pitch stand by Barangay Ginebra being fashioned without Mark Agiwa, without JJ Helterbrand.
Labagala!
Going
Huli
back.
ni Kinyahan. Nabitawan lang ni J.R. Imbola. So with 26.7 seconds remaining here, Ginebra will inbound from the baseline. Very chance to tie. At kukunin na ng Jenkins yung kanilang final timeout. 26.7 seconds remaining. Barangay Ginebra Nakakambak na. They will shoot for the tie. Maybe even the lead sa aming pagbabalik.
Okay. Wilson!
This is game one of Rondre West.
Casey! Saan? Laro! Okay. Ito mauuna. Wilson! Willie Wilson! Back fix! Back! Casey! Sagad mo kagad ngayon. Okay, pagka-screen mo gano'n, mag-shoot sila. Isagad mo. First option, second option. Wala nangyari. Casey, screen na mo to, tao ni Chan. Labas ka. Get the ball. High ball screen ulit. Pag wala nangyari, nakuha mo. Chan, sige na. Okay, coach. High ball screen. You got time.
So after being down by as much as 16 points, Kinito, etong Barangay Ginebra is closing out this game on a 26 run. Pero kailangan pa nilang dagdagan yan ng dalawa.
26.7 seconds to go. Ano ba kanina, nung pinasok ni Coach Shot ang Wilson at saka sila Bagala in the backcourt, sabi ko, this might be a case of raising the white flag. But not so. They give up the foul on the miss by John Wilson.
Big rebound on the part of Jeff Chan.
He was open. That was a good shot by Wilson.
Good shot ng Kinsen. Napapakamot na lang sa kanyang ulo. At si Willie Wilson, inaasar pa si Jeff Chan. Tinatapik-tapik yung kamay para wala yung piso.
A good foul on the part of Barangay Ginebra. You think he shot? You foul needed.
Oh! Jeff Chan with a miss. Unang mintis pa lang yan ni Chan from the free throw line here in this game.
Both teams, no more timeouts.
And whatever happens, one possession game tayo. 93-91. Jeff Chan looking to stretch this lead to 3. Pasok yung pangalawa. Wala na ng timeout. Katulad binanggit ni El Decano. Here comes Rob Labagala.
Looking for the three-point shot to send this game into overtime.
16 seconds remaining. Labagala against Paul Lee. 12 seconds to shoot. Labagala naipit sa baseline. Kicks it over. Wilson to Intal. 7 to shoot. JC Intal, what will he do? 4 to shoot. Intal needs a 3. Puts it up. Huli! Pero merong foul! Pero merong foul on Rainer Shine!
That's a three-point shot attempt. He will go to the line for 3 free throws. Pressure-packed free throws coming up. 1.3 seconds to go.
94-91, JC Intal. May pagkakataong itabla tayo dito.
At si Jeff Chang, kinausap niya si JC Intal. And I'm sure telling him, nakakabahan ka siguro, no? He's got 3 free throws coming up.
He's gonna need all 3 of them. 0 for 1 so far in this game. Kasi, at yun yung pinakamahirap no? Nakakuha yung una.
Now he's got the field. Dalawa pa para kay JC Intal. 15 points in the game.
JC Intal.
Now he's got one more.
Big free throws pa ba na nasa isang abante ng Rainer Shine. Tandaan natin, lamang sila ng 16 kani-kanina lamang. But Barangay Ginebra is on a 22-6 run. But they will need to make it 23-6 to force overtime. Intal. Wilson for the win! No! And Rainer Shine will hang on to this opening day victory contra Barangay Ginebra. 94-93 is your final score. What a nail-biter, Ginito.
Wilson had 2 chances, 2 big chances to score with jump shots in the final seconds. Mintis, pareho, but that missed free throw of JC Intal. Ako sa tingin ko, a lot of positives can be gained here by Barangay Ginebra. Pinakita dito ni Coach Shot at Kinsen that he can rely on Rob Labagala at saka si John Wilson in his backcourt, even in situations where they need to be able to come back from a big deficit. Yun ay isang statement na pinakita niya.
So ito Rainer Shine, withstanding a 22-6 closing run netong Barangay Ginebra to hang on to this 1-point win at ang bayani para dito sa Rainer Shine, kasama ni Chiki.
Ang lethal weapon, ang kamador Itong si Polly, first game as a pro, pinakitaan mo kaming lahat. Pero anong pakiramdam na nakaraos din, nakatapos din itong first game mo dito sa PBA?
Una sa lahat, masaya kasi nanalo yung rain or shine. Kahit na muntik na mag-overtime, nanalo pa din kami. Buti maganda yung nilaro ko, kumpiyansa lang, sabi ni Coach Seng, huwag ka pa pressure. Gawin mo lang yung mga ginagawa mo sa practice.
Paul, maraming coach ng ibang team na nanonood ngayon at paghahandaan kanila. Paano mo kukontrahin yung game plan nila sa iyo pag nakalaban mo ng ibang koponan?
Siguro, go hard lang siguro kasi pag nag-go hard ka naman, kahit anong mangyari, malulusutan mo pa rin yung mga defense.
At dahil first game mo at best player ka, ito na ang pagkakataon para makabati ka sa mga pamilya at fans ni Polly.
Binabati ko yung family ko, yung lolo and lola ko sa Amerika, family ng girlfriend ko, mga taga-Bulacan, taga-Tugundo, mga Rarabago.
Thank you, Paul. Kasamang Magu?
Maraming salamat, Jiggy. At sigurado, yung dating fans na at supporters na ni Polly, nadagdagan ng libo-libo, tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands sa gabing ito.
No doubt, no doubt. In Polly, what a scintillating performance. First game niya as a PBA rookie. For Barangay Ginebra, parang hindi nakapagpakita, no? Sina JJ Heltebrand, sina Mark Aguiwa, si Coach Shot Pangkinsen going with a brand new young backcourt, no? Towards the end, when we thought that he raised the white flag very early in this game, nakapagbalik na sila, and they almost had an overtime situation.
22-6 run. Nagkulang ng isa para maka-overtime. 23 kinailangan. Rain or shine. Good job. Hanging on. 94-93 is your final score. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos, ano? Sa aming pagbabalik, makakasama ulit natin si Nico Halili at Jason Webb. Dito lang yan sa PBA on Active.